Nervous system regulation is not about control, it's about balance. Our nervous system is designed to fluctuate between different states. You may have heard of the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is our activating energy. That is fight, flight, freeze, joy. It's designed and it's evolved to help us survive, right? When we were in danger, to help us to activate to get out of that dangerous situation. The parasympathetic part of our nervous system is your relaxation response, right? Rest and digest. And regulating our nervous system is not about controlling it. It's not about trying to constantly be in a state of relaxation. It's about balance. It's about doing that dance between activating energy and relaxing energy. So sometimes if we're feeling almost a little too relaxed, there's a state of our parasympathetic nervous system that may cause us to feel immobilized. When we're feeling immobilized, balance requires, and nervous system regulation is asking for us to bring a little activation to our nervous system. When we're feeling overstimulated, right? We're in that sympathetic part of our nervous system. That dance, right, requires a little more relaxation. Some things that can help us to bring our nervous system into that state, that resting energy. So it's learning to identify, how am I feeling right now? What state of my nervous system and am I really operating from? And what do I need? So it's just learning that delicate dance. And it's way more than breath work, right? We hear a lot, you just need to do some breath work to regulate your nervous system. Well, yeah, breath work may be one of the ways that we regulate our nervous system, but there's lots of other ways. Particularly if we need to bring a little more activation to our nervous system, maybe moving in some way or spending time with someone we love. If we're looking to maybe access that relaxation part of our nervous system, maybe we want to go spend some time in nature. Maybe we want to read a book. Maybe we want to drink a cup of tea. So it's really learning to identify what state am I in and how do I bring balance back to myself.